Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. In 2013, a six-limbed octopus was found by a family on vacation. It was only the second recorded worldwide they ate. Gold is used in window glass and astronaut helmets to reflect infrared rays while allowing sunlight to pass through and at the same time keeping it cool. Powerpuff Girls were originally called Hoopa's Girls. Mathematician Pythagoras prohibited his followers from eating beans. Open a conversation in Facebook Messenger and type at FB Chessplay to start a game of chess with a friend. The element symbol for gold is Au. The symbol comes from the old Latin name for gold, aurum, which means shining dawn or glow of sunrise. When Selena Gomez was born, her mother was just 16 years old. Leonardo da Vinci was the first to explain why the sky is blue. It's illegal to fall asleep under the hairdryer in Florida, even if you are a salon owner. Isaac Newton's Principia Mathematica contained a simple calculation error that went unnoticed for 300 years. Nachos was invented by a guy named Nacho. The Titanic could have been saved if it was not for a 30-second delay in giving the order to change course after spotting the iceberg. It's illegal for a teacher to keep the class after the bell as punishment. It violates the Geneva Convention's laws on collective punishment. An average dairy cow can produce enough milk in her lifetime to make a little over 9,000 gallons of ice cream. Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal, was the first major investor to back Facebook. Because metal was scarce, the Oscars given out during World War II were made of wood. Honeybees, scientifically also known as Apis mellifera, which means honey-carrying bee, are environmentally friendly and are vital as pollinators. You Are Not My Mother by Randy Herman. Having a water steam facial every week unclog pores, hydrates skin, reduces acne and help you get a glowing skin. An average Netflix viewer watches 21 and a half episodes of a show in one sitting. Red pandas can have tails that grow up to 19 inches despite being the size of a house cat. England cricket's latest secret weapon by Andy Rouse. In 2008, the UK's Susie Hoover knitted a scarf while running a marathon. Hide and Seek by Leslie. McDonald's buys 3.4 billion pounds of potatoes every year. What your headache tells you. It's a scientific fact that chicken noodle soup helps relieve symptoms of the common cold. Mephobia is the fear of becoming so awesome that the human race can't handle it and everybody dies. Every second Friday of October is World Egg Day. You can buy tame foxes online. They cuddle like a cat but act like a dog. A study finds brunettes make better friends and wives. When deciding to throw away clothes, ask yourself, if you were at a store, would you buy it again? There is a sport called archery tag that is basically like dodgeball but with foamed tipped arrows. 12 inches is the recommended distance you should keep between the blow dryer and your head. Top 10 states with highest per capita. Got a pimple before something important? Use an ice cube to shrink it. The 2-minute rule: if you see something that needs doing and it can be completed within 2 minutes, do it immediately. When Harry Truman's presidency ended on January 20, 1953, he took a public train back to Independence, Missouri without Secret Service protection. At that time, his only income was a small army pension. Liking someone's post on social network causes them to automatically associate you with positive thoughts. It's a worthy investment. How Pulse Candy reached rupees 100 crore in just 8 months. Pulse, a raw mango flavored tangy candy, was launched by the DS Group in mid 2015. The company spent almost 2 years developing it. The makers wanted to innovate the existing straight flavors of candies such as mango, orange, and caramel in the HBC. In India, the common practice is to eat raw mango with something tangy, whether it's aam panna or raw mango available at roadside. It is incomplete eating without something tangy spices. That's where the idea came from as pulse candy. What made it different from the other candies was it was hit with the masala bomb, which is released in just the right amounts in a sustained manner. The unique and innovative combination of various flavors made Pulse stand out and become a nationwide favorite with just word of mouth advertisement. Indian customers usually buy candy in single pieces, but in case of Pulse candy, consumers were buying in 5 to 10 in one go. Pulse Candy reached rupees 100 crore within just 8 months of its launch. Thanks for watching.